versus mortgage, unlocking the door to your perfect home door. In the journey to find your dream home, the age-old debate between renting and owning is bound to surface. Let's dive into the similarities and differences, shedding light on key aspects to help you make the right choice for your lifestyle and financial goals. Similarities. 1. Monthly payments. Whether you're renting or paying a mortgage, there's a monthly financial commitment. Rent covers your stay in a property, while a mortgage payment contributes to building equity in your own home. 2. Responsibility for upkeep. Both renters and homeowners are responsible for maintaining their living spaces. While renters can rely on landlords for repairs, homeowners take charge of the maintenance and upgrades to enhance their property's value. Differences. 1. Equity building. One of the significant differences lies in equity. Mortgage payments contribute to your ownership stake in the property, a key factor for long-term wealth. In contrast, renting provides flexibility but doesn't build equity. 2. Financial flexibility. Renting offers short-term flexibility, allowing you to easily relocate based on your changing needs. On the other hand, a mortgage ties you to a specific location, offering stability but reducing immediate flexibility. 3. Investment potential. Homeownership can be an investment, as property values may appreciate over time. Renting, while offering flexibility, doesn't provide the same potential return on investment. Ultimately, the decision between renting and a mortgage depends on your lifestyle, financial goals, and future plans. Both paths have their perks, and understanding these aspects empowers you to open the door to your perfect home. Contact us today for a personal consultation.